Are you listening?
Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Please follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Many of us are so focused working in the business. It's hard not to take that approach when you're self-employed. The winter time or cold weather allows us to have some downtime, and that's the time we should take to work on the business. Let me better explain the difference between working in the business and on the business. Now, if you're a solo operator like myself, you understand what it means to be working in the business. You're basically an employee of your own business. And while you're an employee of your own business, it's hard to work on the business, doing things like building websites, creating a social media presence, just things that take your business to the next level because you're so busy working. There are many things to be done. Take this time to get organized. Take this time to reconnect with existing clients and new clients and customers through social media. And that piece of equipment that's been acting a little funny, that's not working just right, go ahead and drop it off to be maintenance so you can be ready for the new upcoming season. In all season, I'm definitely going to practice on being more efficient. If that means buying new equipment, changing up my setup, or just changing up the way I do things overall. I'm also going to reflect on my mistakes and on my success and filter out what works and what doesn't work. Take this time to get ready for the upcoming season. Because before you know it, spring will be here and that phone gonna start ringing, and you gotta be prepared. Please check the description for the links for some of the items that we use in this video. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
Are you listening?